and a lot of them are going to be at this open house. We'd be really pleased and happy if you joined us for this open house, June 7th, 2025.
Come see the people behind the build.
Bring your bike, bring your questions, bring your appetite. It's June 7th at 190 McMullen Road in Hickory Flat, Mississippi. It's a really fun ride to get here. There's a couple different ways you can come from the east, you can come from the south, you can come from the north. All three directions are really fun rides. I like to come on the road from the Ripley area because it goes through a nice windy, hilly road covered with trees, and that's one of my favorite rides to do in the area. But we hope to see you here, and we'll put a link to a blog that we did on the invitation down in the description below, and it has the calendar of the different events that are going on. And as long as the weather's good, there's going to be bike games. Even if the weather's not good, we have some games that we've lined up, even if it's too muddy to get on the bikes out there on the grass. So we're going to have a good time. It's going to be fun. We hope to see you there.
Y'all ride safe.